the unit on Introduction to C Programming. At the end of this video, you will be able to interpret simple programs written in C. Let us take a look at few simple programs in C. The simple programs popular in C are program to calculate area of a circle, program to print a few numbers, program to add two numbers. Given here is the program which calculates the area of a circle. The program comprises of 5 parts, namely function, heading, prompt statement, input statement, assignment statement, and the output statement. Main is the function used in the program. The prompt statement enables you to enter the radius of the circle. The input statement, scanf, reads the value of the radius entered by the user. The assignment statement assigns a value to the variable area and calculates the area of the circle, which is nothing but the product of pi and square of the radius. The output is printed using the printf statement, which displays the area of the circle calculated in the previous step. As we can see from the pop-up window, the user is prompted to enter the radius. Let's input the value as 80. The area of the circle is given as 2010.176. Now, let us take a look at the second program, which prints few numbers. As usual, we start the program with the main function. Suppose we want to print numbers from 1 to 10. For this, let's create a variable I. We are using for loop which has 3 parts, namely the initialization, condition, and the increment or decrement. We can notice that the value of I is initialized to 0. For each iteration, it checks the condition whether the value I is less than 10. The value of I keeps incrementing for each iteration until the condition I less than 10 is satisfied. The code written between opening and closing braces is considered to be the body of the loop. The statement printf displays the value of I from 1 to 10 as shown in the output. The \n is used to print the output line by line so that it doesn't look clumsy. As the main function is not returning any value, we have to mention as return 0. This ends the printing of numbers program. It's time to check your understanding of for loop. Which among the following is the correct for loop statement to print 100 numbers? Yes, you are right. Option 1 increments the number till the condition I less than or equal to 100 is satisfied and thus prints numbers 1 to 100. Here goes the next question. In order to print the first 10 odd numbers, which option would you select for the same program? Yes, you are right. In option 2, the value of I is initialized to 1, which on increment by 2 results in 3. The loop continues till the condition I less than 10 is satisfied and thus prints the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Now let's move on to the third simplest program, that is adding two numbers. For adding two numbers, we need to initialize 3 variables, say I, j and k. Let's assign random values to both the variables. The plus operator performs the sum of the variables I and j, and the value is assigned to the variable k. Using printf statement, we can print the result which gives you the sum of the variables I and j. Here, the result is displayed as the sum of two numbers is 14. Now, it's time to check your understanding. The function of plus operator is same as the addition symbol in mathematics. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true indeed. Now that you have gone through these three programs, let us look at a question. Here is a C program written to multiply two numbers. A line of code is missing in this program. Let us see what it is. Given here is a program on multiplication of two numbers. Identify the correct answer from the options given. Yes, you are right. The initialization of variables is missing in the program. The key points discussed in this video are: all programs include 5 parts: function heading, prompt statement, input statement, assignment statement, and the output statement. Main is a mandatory function in C programs. It is